Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Affiliate Marketing Express. Thank you for taking the time to view my video. Your time is very much appreciated. The title of today's video is, Get Started as an Affiliate Marketer in 30 Minutes. Today, however, in an effort to make our time together more enjoyable, I will use a story format to give you the information. So, buckle up and pay close attention. You don't want to miss any of these great tips. Here we go. Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young and ambitious individual named Haman. Tired of the monotony of his 9-to-5 job, Haman yearned for a way to break free and find a path to financial independence. One fateful evening, while scrolling through the depths of the internet, he stumbled upon a captivating idea that would change his life forever: affiliate marketing. As the title whispered its promise, get started as an affiliate marketer in 30 minutes, Haman's heart raced with excitement and curiosity. Could this be the opportunity he had been searching for all along? Part 1, The Spark of Curiosity. With a newfound fire in his belly, Haman began to delve deeper into the world of affiliate marketing. He learned that it involved promoting products and earning commissions for every sale made through his efforts. The thought of earning passive income while pursuing his passions ignited a spark of curiosity within Haman. Part 2, The Mentor's Guidance. Eager to learn more, Haman sought guidance from a seasoned affiliate marketer, Asia, who had carved her path to success a few years earlier. Asia warmly welcomed Haman into her Facebook group, filled with like-minded individuals eager to share their wisdom. Asia shared her journey, from the early struggles to the triumphs that followed relentless commitment. She reassured Haman, it may seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can get started in just 30 minutes. Part 3, Choosing the Path. As the mastermind progressed, Asia guided the attendees in choosing a niche close to their heart. With a passion for financial freedom and a desire to help others succeed in life, Haman decided to focus on affiliate marketing. Now, research affiliate programs that align with your niche, advised Asia. He scoured the internet, exploring reputable companies like Amazon Associates and ClickBank, until Haman found the perfect program to partner with. Part 4, The Quest Begins. The next step was to establish a platform, a place where Haman could share his knowledge and connect with his audience. Asia introduced Haman to the wonders of Online Business App, a magical affiliate platform that included all the tools that he would need to succeed. Part 5, The Power of Authenticity. With the platform taking shape, Asia emphasized the importance of authenticity. Your journey as an affiliate marketer is not just about selling products. It's about building trust with your audience, she said. As the hands of time ticked closer to the 30-minute mark, Haman poured his heart into the final touches of his landing page. Haman resolved to provide genuine value to his audience by offering honest reviews and expert advice. Part 6, Unleashing the Potential. The moment had come. Haman published his first video on YouTube. He felt a surge of adrenaline as he hit the publish button. The quest to become an affiliate marketer was no longer a distant dream. It had become a tangible reality. But the journey had only just begun. Asia urged Haman to unleash the power of promotion. Spread the word through social media, reach out to your friends and family, and watch your audience grow, she encouraged. Part 7, Facing Challenges. As weeks turned into months, Haman encountered challenges, competition, impatience, and evolving trends. Doubt began to creep into his mind, but Asia was there to remind the group of the title that had started it all. Get started as an affiliate marketer in 30 minutes. With unwavering determination, Haman pushed through obstacles, learning and adapting as he went along. Asia's wise words echoed in his mind. Use the KISS method, it will pave the way. Part 8, The Journey's End and New Beginnings. As the journey unfolded, Haman's online presence blossomed into a thriving community of passive income enthusiasts. The initial 30 minutes had evolved into months of dedication, but the reward was worth every moment. Earning his first affiliate commission brought tears of joy to Haman's eyes. It was a testament to the power of perseverance. But this was just the beginning. With newfound confidence, he expanded his reach, exploring new niches and forming partnerships with prominent entrepreneurs. As the final chapter of this story closes, Haman's odyssey as an affiliate marketer continues to flourish. His success stands as a testament to the title that sparked it all. Get started as an affiliate marketer in 30 minutes. If you would like to learn our #1 way to start a hyper-profitable online business without any previous experience and without showing your face on camera, use my affiliate link in the description to check out the online business app. The online business app is a revolutionary affiliate platform that offers a unique opportunity to earn your first $100,000 and beyond. And that's not all. You can sign up for a free account and try the online business app for 14 days free of charge. You have nothing to lose. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.